Most people get this wrong. They think all email marketing tools are the same, but Pardot by Salesforce is actually more than just a platform for sending emails. Today, I'm giving you an honest review so you can decide if it's worth using for your business. Pardot is a B2B marketing automation platform designed to help businesses manage leads, nurture prospects, and drive conversions. One of its biggest advantages is seamless integration with Salesforce CRM, which means your marketing and sales teams are always aligned. You can track leads from first email engagement all the way through to closed deals. Setting up email campaigns in Pardot is straightforward. You can create highly personalized emails using dynamic content and automation rules. For example, if a prospect downloads an ebook, you can automatically send a follow-up email tailored to their interest. This kind of automation helps improve engagement and conversion rates without adding extra work. Another strong point is analytics. Pardot provides detailed insights into email performance, lead scoring, and ROI. You can see which campaigns generate the most qualified leads and adjust your strategy in real time. Most people overlook this, but the reporting tools are what really set Pardot apart from simpler platforms. However, there are some drawbacks. Pardot can be expensive for small businesses, and the learning curve is steeper compared to more basic email marketing tools like MailChimp. It's best suited for mid-sized to large B2B businesses that already use Salesforce or plan to scale their marketing automation. In conclusion, Salesforce Pardot is a powerful tool for businesses that need advanced email marketing, lead nurturing, and sales alignment. If you are a small business just starting now, it might feel overwhelming, but for B2B companies looking to grow and automate, it's one of the best options available. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing tools and tips to improve your business strategy.